Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool mixer right here, and basically what this is a stand mixer. If you see, the one that we got right here is from a brand called Cheflee, and for the one that we got right here is a lavender color. They do have this available in other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And if you guys are curious about the size of the actual product, it is a 6-quart size. But first, let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like and what is actually included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. So pretty much the product comes in this very nice little bag, and we do have the brand logo on here. But let's take it out first. Alright, so when you guys take it out, first the inside right here, you see they probably got a little spatula. So the bottom part feels like a plastic material, and then this part right here is like a silicone material. So definitely really cool how they provide guys this option. But then right here, you can see we do have the actual product, which is a stand mixer. You can see how it's all well protected and everything, and they do provide guys instruction in the bottom. So I'm actually take off the wrapper and the bag first, and then we'll show you guys what the product looks like. I love how they provide guys a little bag for you guys to carry around really easily. They have like a side pocket for you to put stuff on the side, and also in the back, and also on this side. And they give you guys a little strap option for you to tie stuff on here if you guys want to. But the front, if you can see, we do have a zipper option, so we have to open up. They also have this little pocket for you to put stuff in here if you guys want to as well, which is kind of cool. And then here is basically what the inside looks like. So when you guys put your stand mixer on here, you do need to carry from the bottom, because that is the way how they designed this bag. So if you guys wanted to, you can probably use one hand bottom and one hand on top to look like this. But it's more safe for you guys to use two hands in bottom. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here's basically what the product looks like. There are some more stuff on here, so I'm not show you guys what is actually included first. So on the protection layer right here, you see they provide you guys this lid option that you can put on top. And I'll show you guys what it actually looks like and how to use it in a second. And then on the side of the bag, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right here, we do have the first head. And when you guys view the material that's on here, it definitely is a pretty high quality material. I believe it's like stainless steel or metal. Most likely it is stainless steel. But right here, we do have the product. So let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here's basically what the product looks like. So inside the bowl, they provide you guys a bunch of accessories and tools. So right here, we do have like an egg separator or something. And then right here, we do have the actual bowl. So let's take it out first. So the way how you guys take it out, you guys want to lift this part right here on the side. So that way you can raise it up. Once you guys do that, you guys can twist the bowl to take it out. But right here, we see we do have the second head. And then here we have the third one. And then right here, we do have the actual bowl. So let's take off the protection layer. Here's what the inside looks like. It's all stainless steel. And I love the fact of how to give you guys a handle option for you to carry around when you guys need to. So maybe if you guys finish mixing stuff on here, you guys can use that to actually carry around really easily. And last but not least, we do have the actual product right here. So this is where you're gonna insert the head, and I'll show you guys how to set that up in a second. Right here, we do have the little lever for you guys to open up this part right here, and I'll show you guys a better point of view in a second. Right here, we do have the switch for you guys to change the different speed level on here. So there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's the P mode on here. And then right here we do have the brand logo. If you see in the bottom, we do have the suction cup, so that way when you guys do put it on the table, it shouldn't move around. And then right here we do have the cable for you to plug in, which is 2-prong. But here's basically what the product looks like on this side, and here is the other side. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me just put this down on the table to show you guys what it looks like when you guys actually use it, and also show you guys how powerful it is when you guys do use it as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So you can see I already have the actual head on here, but let me just take it off to show you guys how to take it off and how to put it back on. So all you can do is just lift this part up and just bring it off just like that very easily. And same thing applies to the other head as well. So let's say I want to stick this one in and just turn it and just lock it in, and it's all set. And the way how you use this is actually very simple. You guys want to take off the head first, and you have to insert it in like this, and then push it all the way up as far as you guys can. Once you guys do that, then you put the head back on. So just like that. And then when you guys are ready, pull this lever or this button right here. Make sure it locks in. Once it locks in, then you guys are ready to start using it. So the way how you guys use it is actually very simple. All you need to do is just turn this knob, and that will activate it. You can see how she has this blinking light, and that will let you guys know that's on. So just to show you guys what it actually sounds like and how to actually use it, let me actually turn it on first, and then we'll bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what a close-up view looks like. So this is 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. Here is 5. 5. And here are 6. So when you guys turn the high speed level on here, which is level 6, if you guys notice on the table, it definitely moves a lot. But because of the suction cup that's in the bottom, it prevents it from moving around, which is really nice. If you guys turn on P, it's actually really powerful as well. But basically P allows you guys to turn it when you guys need to and let go when you guys are done. So now let's take off this part here and show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys want to take it off, pull this part again, and that will raise it up. Then you're going to take this part out. You guys can probably even slide it out. Once you guys do that, you guys bring it back down and then start using it. So I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's turn it on. So that's 1. And that is 6. So it's definitely a huge difference when you guys use 1 or 6. So depending on what you guys are planning to use it for, if you guys want to use the whisk option, the beater option, or like the dough hook option, that is how you guys determine which speed to use. And they provide you guys all the information in the user manual and also in the listing as well. But that is basically how you guys use the product. Eventually it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So whether if you guys want to use it at home or if you guys want to use it for like your bakery shop or something, you guys can definitely use it however you guys want to. But you see when we do use the product, it's pretty powerful. Whether if you guys want to use the whisk option, the beater option, or even like the dough hook option, that is up to you guys. I think for me, honestly, I'll most likely be using like the whisk option and the beater option the most. I don't really see myself dealing anytime soon in terms of any bread or pizza because I don't really make those that often. But you see when you guys use the product, it is pretty powerful, and I love the fact that how it actually has like the suction cup in the bottom to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys are an in-home baker or if you guys have your own bake shop or something and you guys want to get like a machine to help you guys like mix or beat stuff on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.